Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the ciaranbezos channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up to HyperFund. So first you want to talk to your upline and make them give you a link, which is their referral link. You then put that into your browser or just click it, click enter, and it'll take you to a page where you can enter your password, your email. Here we go, we're here. So ignore that it covers up like a quarter of the screen. That should be getting fixed soon. But right now, this is what we have to deal with. So when you're creating your username, you want to remember to keep it all lowercase and try and have no numbers in there. Just something like that will be all right. Just all lowercase, no numbers, just nice. Password, obviously that can be whatever you want it to be. Email, whatever you want it to be. And then this verification thing can only be obtained once you enter your email, because you will enter the email, then click obtain. A code will be sent to that email, and then you'll want to put the verification code in here. And the transaction password, this will be a 6-digit number, only numbers, that will be used to deposit funds, withdraw funds, rebuys, and all of that stuff. So make sure you remember that. And then you'd want to click sign up, and then when you have clicked that, you want to click I have registered, take me to the app download page. And it won't take you to an app download page just yet, because the app has not been fully developed yet. It's still in development. So when you're on here, don't click app install unless you're watching in the future and it has been developed and it's out now. You could click that, but right now in these current times the app is still in development. So I'd go on web version access and then log in with the username and the password you just entered, and then you do a verify check where you have to slide this puzzle piece into the puzzle, and then you'll click login, and obviously there's nothing there right now, so it's not letting me log in, but then it will take you onto your back office. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.